Hello, this is Marianne Fletcher, reporting back on Vedic mathematics in South Africa during 2023 and 2024. The three sets of workshops that were done in 2023 would not have been possible without the generous sponsorship of the Rotary Club of Vanderbijl Park. They kindly bought the air ticket for Swati Dave, who is a Vedic mathematics specialist, to fly out from the United States to come to help present the workshops with myself. The three different workshops we did were as follows. Firstly, the Science Unlimited Vedic Mathematics presentations were done for school children at the Kwalata Lodge and Conference Center, where about 2,000 children were exposed to the fundamentals of Vedic mathematics. This was done in August 2023 by myself. When Swati came out in September 2023, she and I helped present 2 days of teacher workshops at Kwalata Lodge again, where 34 teachers from the district of Tshwane North participated. Then Swati and I proceeded to the Northwest University campus at Vanderbijl Park, where between 200 and 300 students were exposed to the basics of Vedic mathematics. And we also started an ongoing support program called the Maths Ambassadors Program. So just a short report back on all three of these workshops. The Science Unlimited Expo is hosted annually in the Dinakeng Game Reserve, not far from Pretoria. And the Expo is a science education and awareness project that's been going on now for almost 20 years. And it's aimed at grades 6 to 9 grassroots learners. The workshops that are presented at the Science Unlimited program comprise math and technology shows. There's also exhibitions and demonstrations. So the IAVM, the Institute for the Advancement of Vedic Maths, we're very happy to once again be part of this exciting event. So every day over a 4-day period, I presented 4 times 1 hour sessions to groups of children of about 150 at a time, and they were introduced to the fundamentals of Vedic maths. This is the table where some maths models are set out, which I help explain as part of my Vedic mathematics program. One of the large groups there. The lodge has some very lovely conference facilities. This is one of the Vedic sutras, Urdhva vertically and crosswise, where children can learn to multiply 2 or 3 or even 4-digit numbers together, just mentally in their head. Also, the lodge is inside a big 5 game reserve, so one can also enjoy the beautiful nature there. When Swati came out in September, the two of us helped present the teacher training workshops. They were called Unleash the Power of Numbers. And this workshop, which is also supported by the Kwalata Community Development Initiative, brought together 34 school teachers from the district of Tshwane North. The workshop successfully channeled the enthusiasm and experience of the participating teachers and reached wide-ranging consensus that the Vedic maths approach can be a critical teaching tool to make math learning easy and enjoyable. The teacher here is holding up a Vedic loom. Swati brought a few models out from the United States. This loom can be used to help integrate understanding of number patterns and the relationships between numbers. Very enjoyable and creative activity to do with numbers. And I'd again like to use the opportunity to really say thank you to the Rotary Club of Vanderbijl Park, also Charles Pretorius, the founder of the Kwalata Community Development Initiative, Dr. Richard Churnis, the founder of Science Unlimited, Mrs. Sandra de Bruin and Pranay Devchant, both from the district of Tshwane North, and James Glover, who is the chairman of the Institute for the Advancement of Vedic Mathematics. All of them really gave a lot of support and encouragement for these initiatives. Here you can see there's a hornbill bird also interested in the models. Here's Dr. Churnis and Swati and myself in the photo, and Mrs. Sandra de Bruin also talking to the teachers during this workshop. Here are some of the Vedic sutras. The one on the left top all from 9 and the last from 10, Niki Lang Nawatash Charaman Dashata, also illustrates a way to do subtraction and multiplication mentally very easily. The whole idea behind Vedic maths is to be able to work with large numbers in a very easy way, and really helps one integrate math understanding and increase numeracy ability as well. Here are the teachers at the teachers workshop. Swati doing a presentation there. The Tshwane North District sponsored the printing of worksheet booklets for the teachers as well. These worksheet booklets were also made electronically available to all the students who took part in Northwest University. We did manage to go for a game drive, which was great fun as well. Here is Charles Pretorius, the owner of the lodge, who is taking us on a drive. Presentation of certificates of participation, and some very happy teachers at the end of the workshop. We still have a WhatsApp group where I've been attempting to stay in contact with the teachers, and the plan is to try and have another workshop at the end of this, sometime in October, November this year still. I have been talking to Mrs. Sandra de Bruin about that. Then Swati and I proceeded to Northwest University campus, which was really the main aim of her coming out to South Africa. Here's Dr. Magda Kloppers right in the front, also participating in the workshops, and we can see some of the students that took part at Van der Bijl Park. Both Swati, myself, and also Professor Pia Lukau, who used to be a lecturer at Northwest University, all the three of us giving our Vedic maths presentations. Once again, I'd really like to thank Dr. Magda Kloppers, as well as Erika Potgieter and Audrey Willifield, who are lecturers and directors at the School of Mathematics, Science and Technology Education of Northwest University, just to thank them very much for all their support and help during these workshops. Everyone agreed that this workshop was the first step and that we need to design a minimum 2-year strategic plan to gauge the impact of this initiative and to support the students as they implement Vedic maths approach in their classrooms. So the ongoing support in 2024 is the Vedic Math Ambassador Program. So a group of students was chosen to help carry Vedic maths further, and these Vedic Math Ambassadors have been working on their skills and have also been thinking of ways in which they can teach the sutras or the rules to learners when they go out for their practical teaching. So, so far this year, the ambassadors have met together, I think, about 6 or 7 times, and they have been watching video recordings that I've been setting up for the group, and the group has been supervised by the lecturers of Northwest University. And so the teachers are carrying on with improving their skills and also discussing how to bring these Vedic mathematics skills into the classroom. So the sport is still ongoing. I'm busy making my 6th video now. The videos are normally between an hour and a half long, so the students have some support, and they can also watch these videos at home and help them integrate their understanding. There's also some research being done by the university. The Vedic Math Workshops is part of a research project called The Golden Thread, Perceptions and Experiences of B.Ed Mathematics Students' Cultural Immersion into Vedic Mathematics. This is a photo of some of the students at the end of the workshop. So that's all I have to show today in this presentation. We are still very enthusiastic as the IAVM to carry on supporting both the Qualata teachers as well as the students of Northwest University. And we trust that Vedic maths will still go from strength to strength in South Africa. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.